Well, the first thing I need to tell you, those of you in the Tuesday night EDAP587 class, you got the wrong video email. That one was for the EDAP585 class. So you may now totally ignore that email, and this is the one that you want to be paying attention to. This is what we're doing come Tuesday night. We are going to put a finishing touch to our module about the different foundations of understanding of online teaching and learning, and that is the paradigm shift, constructivism, and inquiry-based learning. We will start the evening with reading Chapter 2 from the Anderson book, which is A Theory of Online Learning. Now, this is 1997, so if you want to say to me that it's outdated, you might, but I don't think so. And I think that some of the issues that he has in this chapter are extremely important as we move towards Quality Matters standards. First one is the learner-centered. This should be what all learning and education should be about, but it's extremely important inside the world of online. The other issues are the other ideas that he raises. This idea about being knowledge-centered, we're going to explore what this means, not this week, but the week after. Actually, I might get to it this week, about being knowledge-centered. This is extremely important as well. And this is work that I've actually been a part of with Scardamelia and Brighter at the University of Toronto. So then we have assessment-centered. How are we going to measure that people understand what they are doing within their online? And so as you can see, it's a chapter that contains an awful lot of material. I'm going to give you the chance and the time to read it. We will then create a GoAnimate to try to put all this together into some meaning. Now, what I'm going to take the time here real fast is, first of all, is to show you that we have a Schoology account that you will be signing up for. So you go here, you sign up as a student, you will use this course code. It will put you into a GoAnimate course. When I do that, this is what the course will look like, and I'm going to add a post to it. Once I'm finished with the post, all I have to do is click on it, and then up here, as you can see, there's an URL, an address. That is what we will copy and paste into LiveText to demonstrate what you've done for this assignment. Okay? Now let's talk about the GoAnimate real fast, because we've had some reports from folks complaining about the GoAnimate has lost all of its themes, and it has. We no longer have the wonderful animals, the space people, the mangi, all those wonderful themes they had, that the animes that we used to play with. They're now gone. But it doesn't mean we still can't make things. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on Make a Video. By the way, how did I log in? I logged in with SBSwan02 at louisville.edu, ULIT241. Do not try to log in to goanimate.com. You must follow this link right here. And then if we want to use a template, which most of us do, and if you want to have characters, which most of us do, you're going to click on the template for the business theme. Don't worry, because what you can do is you can change your setting to one that you could use where people are talking to each other about a topic. And once you make that selection, you then select your characters. Looks very familiar, doesn't it? And then you start typing in your what they're going to say. You publish it. You take the link. This time we're not using the embed code. We're using the link. And then we're going to put that link into our Schoology post. And then, of course, your GoAnimate will play through your Schoology post. I think we'll have plenty of time to get this done in class. If we don't, well, we just will. It's not going to be that hard to do. So be ready, get your brains in gear, because the expectation will be that we will read Terry's chapter, which does a pretty good job of summarizing everything we did last week, and then we will put together a GoAnimate that you think helps explain your way of seeing how paradigm shifts, constructivism, and inquiry-based learning all come together to build a foundation of online learning. Okie doke. I will see you Tuesday night.